Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing? This is your boy Cookie with Sindaco and I'm back again. Yeah, so I'm back to Ekon in the central region of Ghana, and today I'm making one of the fanciest food, the Asian food we have over here. This is called Piwaa, and they use corn flour to prepare this food. Amazing food, delicious food, very easy to prepare, and man, you love it. So the skin of the corn is being peeled off and it's being grinded, and that's what we'll be using for this recipe. Delicious food, and I'm glad you also learned something and tried this recipe at home. If today's your first time watching, kindly subscribe, share, tell a friend, tell a brother. Let's showcase and promote our local food to ourselves as Ghanaians, Africans, and to the world. Let's do this. Record. So since I'm here for local food, I'm bringing you authentic local food from the fancy side, and this is a typical fancy food and okay, so this is Piwaa. Okay, so locally known as Piwaa. So you have a boiling water and we have added salt to it. Basically, Piwaa is also corn food. So corn flour food and okay, so you first take off, peel the skin from the corn, then you grind it. So this the skin is being taken off, it's being peeled off, and now you've grinded it. Yeah. Now so soak it, brother. Are they soaker? Okay. I don't want soak. Okay, so this is the flour. Yeah, so it's mostly yellow corn. This is yellow corn. That's why. More time. So this is yellow corn, and this is what we use it for Piwaa. I'm sorry, but no didi. Okay, so we're fetching some of the water aside. It goes in. Okay, so corn flour without the skin is being peeled off, then it stays like that. Wow. Okay. Wow. So it stays like basically like making banku. Oh, it's okay. So it's all about stirring. Okay, and it's okay, as you can see, it's not solid. It's very soft inside. Auntie, no more yet. Auntie, they are obeying. Wow. Wow. So basically, it's almost done. Okay, Piwaa. And when it gets cold, it will. And either polenta, if I'm not mistaken, like polenta. Little food, they will find polenta. They know. Wow. This is Piwaa, it's almost done. So, but you want to into February? Wow. So we have stir frying onion and oil and add on two on top. Okay, so we have onion over here and we have oil over here as well. So the oil goes on top like that. Beside the onion, then the oil goes. Some goes on top of the Piwaa as well. Okay, the stirred corn flour. So we stir everything together with the oil that we just added. Wow. So this is a typical fancy food, and man, I'm here in Ekon, and yeah, she's preparing a Piwaa. Amazing, very easy and simple food, and you never have any idea that this is a process is done until someone shows you. Wow. Okay, so we're about to bring everything out. Okay, so as I said, they're all about stirring. It's the next 5, 7, 10 minutes. Everything is ready. Okay. Oh no, on check. Yeah. So because the corn is yellow, that's why you see it to be yellow. You can use the white corn as well. So now bringing everything out. Most of these delicacies what our forefathers ate, and they were fresh. So we have our oil and onion on fire. So we have our oil. It's ready. And we have our Piwaa also. So the oil, so you scoop some of the oil, then it goes on top like that. Wow. Do you know Piwaa? No? Wow. Auntie, yeah, okay, it's in there. Okay, that's plating. Wow. Man, it's beautiful. I'm a fan, but I've never seen this food. I've heard the name, but I've never tried it. My first time trying this, like I'm about to try this food. Interesting, I can't wait. Anyway. It is what it is. Let me heat up my Piwaa. Okay, so we are making it, we're heating up a bit so that the oil
can scoop around the piwaa very well. So as you can see, everything's boiling together. Okay. Wow. So the piwaa is ready, and man, this is how it looks like. Very delicious and looking attractive over here. Wow, look at that. Just look at that. Mommy say but man yemokone deza. Na yemokone ndam say fa ngonu nwo a. But I'm going to be here, but still be here still on change. Okay. What's crazy? So this is the piwaa. Man, I've heard this name for a long time, and it's my first time about to try this food. Yeah, so we're done with our piwaa. Okay, as I said, delicious food. First time trying something like this, and man, amazing, Ankasa. Let's take a bite anyway. So, as she was saying, you can grind pepper, half pepper with it. You can also make stew or sauce. You can add fish, you can add beans, anything that you want. Okay, but this is just the simplest way they prepare it. So like that. Wow. Wow. Man, with the onion, it's amazing. It's just perfect. Wow. Man, look at that. Man, this is delicious. But I'm doubting if this is polenta, because we have this food in Italy called polenta, and it's kind of similar polenta. Wow, man, this is beautiful. This is so delicious. So just imagine having sauce or fish or something attached to it. Extra. It will be extraordinary. Man, this is delicious. So delicious. So delicious. You want some? Prepare some for yourself. Just follow the steps. Very easy recipe. Easy and simple. We're fine. Man, very delicious. And the oil can also reduce the quantity of the oil that will be spread on top. Because we reduce it. You can add something little, not to make it more oily. But man, the bottom line is this food is amazing. The woman preparing this food is fantastic. She has been selling this food for years in Cote d'Ivoire, so she has the amazing experience how to prepare this food with the PT and all over. So that's her number on the screen. Call her and make your order. If you want someone to prepare this typical fancy local food for you, call her and then make your order. Okay, you love it, Ankasa. Yeah, so basically that's it for today. Cooking with Sindaco, typical local food only across Ghana and beyond. And man, if you love it, kindly share the video, tell a friend, tell a brother. Let's showcase our food to ourselves and to us as Africans and to the world as well. Okay, so kindly subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Let's meet again for Shizzle Manizzle. This is Cape Coast Diary, and this is Piwaa. Wrong.
Everything make for this one side. Yellow, sister, waiting because you money palaver. There is no hurry in life. Yellow sister, make you take your time.